Have you ever wanted to be part of a big Hollywood movie? Right? Feel the energy of being on set. I mean, hearing the director yell action, watching an entire film crew working meticulously together to make something that when you watch it, you just feel so much. Me too. Now I've been really lucky and I've actually gotten to spend some time on set, and let me tell you, the energy is real. But the problem is, most of us don't have access to an entire film crew or millions of dollars or all of the equipment that's needed to film a movie at that scale. But what if I told you didn't need it? What if I told you that right now, you have the crew and the budget and the equipment that's needed to film a video that will evoke the exact same emotions in somebody as those big Hollywood movies? The only thing you're missing is the knowledge and the expertise so that you feel confident in what you're filming. Well, welcome to BombBomb Studios. You're in the exact right place. Now, with BombBomb, we strive to help you be more human-centered with your communication through just simple and authentic videos that are gonna help you deepen your connection with your clients or your family or your friends or whoever you might be sending to. Now, you don't really have to be fancy to do that. Here at BombBomb Studios, we wanna help you grow your knowledge, right? The knowledge that you want in the way that you want it. So we've built a bunch of on-demand courses so you can dive into new features or new strategies, or heck, you can start learning new techniques or best practices that are gonna help take the videos you're already recording to the next level. Now, I do want you to know, you don't need any of this to be great on video. All of this is just here to help you take the next steps in growing in your video journey. Now, whether you decide to do a single course below, or maybe you're gonna dive into the path to becoming a full video producer, regardless, you get to choose what's right for you. Ultimately, what I want you to know the most is that recording videos with BombBomb is quick, easy, and high quality, and we're here for you every step of the way. Congratulations, you've already taken the next step so that you can be more confident on video. We're thrilled you're here.